Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode I will create another super tasty dish. This time it will be famous frittata with pork tenderloin, potatoes, peppers and of course eggs. But first, as usual, allow me to introduce all ingredients that we need to make this extremely delicious dish. Okay, heat up the frying pan. Classic oil goes on. Chopped onion and peppers are landing on the frying pan. It is hot. Yeah. Now tenderloin, just for 2 minutes. Salt, freshly ground pepper, now potatoes goes on. I use the same oil. Sweet paprika. Next step, 4 eggs. Now I will use this food processor, which costs something like $1. Really expensive. Okay, now peppers, onion and tenderloin goes on the pan. Finally, eggs goes on the pan. Salt, pepper. Well, the moment of truth has come. Three, two, one.